All right, now we're gonna send the ETH from our Coinbase app to MetaMask. All you need to do is open up the MetaMask browser extension and click on the little account details, as we don't wanna copy paste the long public address that you see underneath the QR code. We're gonna use the QR code actually. As a next step, after you got that open, you need to open up your Coinbase application. Click on Ethereum and scroll down to the amount that you currently have available in your application. And then you can click the little paper plane icon in the top right. I'm gonna click on max because I wanna send all the ETH I currently have available. And so skipping the contacts point right now, this is the point where you can typically either copy paste if it's on the same device, your public wallet address. But since we already have that one open in our browser extension, I'm just gonna click on the little QR code icon. I'm gonna allow to use the camera, and all I need to do at this step is then to scan the QR code in my MetaMask wallet. It's gonna automatically copy the public wallet address, give me an overview of the transaction. Important here, network fee, that is the gas fee for this transaction. And then after completing the two-factor authentication, I can simply complete sending the ETH from the Coinbase app, which it will tell me it went successfully out of my Coinbase account. And then at this point, I can actually just hop over to my MetaMask account. There's nothing I need to do in order to kind of like refresh. I actually just need to wait a little bit, as it will refresh automatically as soon as the Ethereum or ETH will actually hit my account. And there it is. We just transferred successfully the 0.025 ETH into your MetaMask account.